All right. So now go up to tools in the orange bar.
Orange bar.
Yep.
Tools.
Import and properties.
Got it.
Okay. Browse. Look for the property you want to import.
Just go ahead and grab that, and we'll go with the browse.
Yeah.
Okay. Hit next. Click auto map.
Auto map.
Remember to uncheck property name, uncheck city, uncheck state, uncheck zip. We're leaving address checked because address never changes. That's the best way to dedupe. Okay?
So that you're not bringing in the same property twice.
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
All right, that's all we need there.
Go to owner fields. So we need to go to owner first name, owner last name. Check the box for deduping the owner last name. Okay. Company. That will be owner. Yep. And check the box for deduping the owner. Uncheck owner address. Yep. Uncheck owner city, owner state. Good. We didn't have a zip. Work phone. And it didn't have an email. Okay. Go to property details.
Yeah. Yeah.
So check the phone and the email because we are going to have those.
There was no email in that import.
Well, we're going to whenever we cross-pollinate the CoStar and the Yardi, we will have emails. So let's pretend like we're going to have the whole kit and caboodle here.
We don't have the option.
Oh, you don't have the option.
What I'm saying, you don't have an email column.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Understand. Gotcha.
Is that what you
Yes,
okay.
But yeah, you would want to check mark that email duplication.
Yes.
When you bring that.
Got it.
To go to property details. If you had property type, you'd want to bring that in. I recommend adding a column for property type. I know you only have one, but to bring it in for multifamily, it's just going to make it cleaner. Just a recommendation.
How would that be? Wait. When you say property type, are we in the groups yet or are we not?
No, we're not in groups yet. We're not in groups. Not yet.
Multifamily retail.
Yeah, we're not getting there.
All we're going to have is multifamily. But okay, we can add a multifamily column.
Yeah, that's easy to do. Okay, keep scrolling down.
Yeah.
Keep scrolling. We don't have any of this information.
Okay.
Hold on. I think there was a little bit up there. Wasn't there something in here that we had?
Number of bedrooms. Number of 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but it wasn't on that spreadsheet. It's not on that spreadsheet.
Yeah.
So for square feet, scroll down. It found it in the wrong place right there. It's not number of buildings. So change that to select column.
Got it.
Now go down and find, what did you guys call it? Total square feet.
Total square feet.
There you go. And I think that's all the information you had. Did you have year built, year renovated?
Don't think so.
No, I think that's all we had.
Okay, now I press next.
Yep. This is where you create your group. Did you create any groups yet? Pull that down. Just do the pull down. Okay, you have no groups. So you would add a group. So you hit the little plus.
Yep.
And then create the group name that you would want.
Okay.
Okay. I'd leave type all because you wanted to bring in the property, you wanted to bring in the company, and you wanted to bring in the contact. So you want to leave type all. And then you'd hit save. And if you hit next, that completes the process. That will bring those in. And we don't want to do that yet.
Okay.
But that's how we get it all in. And this
just like that.
That's what we want.
And then from there, we go back to add a contact? Or when it
Well,
comes
it'll add those contacts automatically, Gloria. As long as they're with those properties, it'll add them.
But you have to import from properties, correct? So
Correct.
then it connects to the contact. Because
That's
if you do
correct.
it the other way, then you're going to have to go back and connect it to the property.
That's correct.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
So property
You're not
goes
wrong.
into contact.
But contacts doesn't go into properties. You
Correct.
have to import via property.
Gosh, buddy.
Correct.
You only have to spend weekend getting this thing right.
Mhm.
You have to play with it before you get it like we need it to be. We don't need extra steps, but we
We
do
don't
need
need
final.
exercise, but we need
We
exactly.
need the final statistics.
So now what I have to do is, and David, you can email us this recording.
I'll email you the link. I'll upload it to YouTube and I'll email the link. You guys will be the only ones that'll have access to that link. That YouTube link will not be searchable in YouTube. It'll be private.
I like that. I like that. 'cause
I was trying to be a YouTube star.
There's I'm not all over the internet. So, okay, that's good. That's good. I like what we got going here so far. But Market Edge, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I think we're. I think I can.
I think it needs some work.
It
but
does
we
need
don't
some
have
work.
time to do their work, so we gotta move
That's
on
right.
to
So
something.
we got to move on.
Here's the good news. You guys are only paying for the CRM. So
That's
that's
right.
the good news.
I
Well, we
love
wouldn't
good
pay for
news.
Market Edge anyway, so.
Gloria gets
I-
Market Edge for free.
I think we're all good here.
We're good.
I
Okay.
know what I'm doing. Yep.
Email
Yeah,
us over this link.
I want to show you one thing before we go, and I do need to go, but I want to show you one thing before we go. Oh, wait, I can't
Okay.
import anything. Never mind. Don't worry about it. We'll do it later. When do you guys want to get on again?
What is it you're gonna show us, so we'll know how much time and when we need it? We need to know.
Well, once you
how
get the
we're-
contacts and the properties in, and I showed the guys how to do this when I did the demo, I split my screen so that I can go down my list making my phone calls, and that record stays on the screen and never goes away, so it's less clicks. It's
We
just
can talk about later.
Yeah, we can. When
We
next
don't know yet.
next time we get you on the line, we can talk about that.
okay. Do you want to schedule that now, or do you want me to just follow up with you in a week or two and schedule something then?
We'll call you.
We'll give you a call. We don't know what our schedule
Yeah.
is very fluid. So.
That works for me.
All right.
All right, guys.
Yep. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday.
I'm going to stop recording.